Did you know it's actually possible to retire at 40, even if you're on a low income? Yes, you heard that right. Retiring at 40 on a low income may seem like an impossible dream, but it's not. With careful planning, discipline, and a willingness to make sacrifices, it's achievable. In this step-by-step guide, we'll explore how to retire early on a low income, even if you're not a high earner. The first step in retiring at 40 on a low income is to set clear goals and priorities. What do you want to achieve in retirement? Do you want to travel, pursue hobbies, or simply enjoy time with family and friends? Take inspiration from American author Stephen Covey, who said, "Begin with the end in mind. Identify what's most important to you and focus on achieving those goals." Living below your means is crucial to retiring early on a low income. This means cutting back on unnecessary expenses, creating a budget, and investing your savings wisely. Consider the 50/30/20 rule, popularized by Senator Elizabeth Warren. 50% of your income goes towards necessary expenses, 30% towards discretionary spending, and 20% towards saving and debt repayment. Take advantage of tax-advantaged retirement accounts, such as 401k, IRA, or Roth IRA. Contribute as much as possible, especially if your employer offers matching funds. For example, if you earn $30,000 per year and contribute 10% to your 401k, that's $3,000 annually. If your employer matches 50% of your contributions, that's an additional $1,500. Investing wisely is critical to growing your retirement savings. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which offer broad diversification and minimal fees. Take a cue from American investment guru Warren Buffett, who advocates for a long-term buy-and-hold strategy. Invest in a mix of low-cost index funds, covering different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversifying your income streams can help you retire earlier and reduce financial stress. Consider starting a side hustle, freelancing, or investing in dividend-paying stocks. For instance, if you earn $20,000 per year from a part-time business, that's an additional $1,667 per month. This can help supplement your retirement income and provide a safety net. An emergency fund is essential for covering unexpected expenses in retirement. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a readily accessible savings account. Consider the example of a retiree in Portland, Oregon, who needs to replace their car suddenly. With an emergency fund, they can cover the expense without dipping into their retirement savings. Downsizing and simplifying your life can help reduce expenses and increase your savings rate. Consider selling your home, downsizing to a smaller residence, or adopting a more minimalist lifestyle. Take inspiration from the tiny house movement, popularized in the U.S. By living in a smaller, more efficient space, you can reduce your expenses and focus on what truly matters. Geographical arbitrage involves taking advantage of lower cost of living areas to stretch your retirement dollars further. Consider retiring in a low-cost region, such as the Midwest or Southeast. For example, a retiree in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, can enjoy a lower cost of living compared to San Francisco, California. By moving to Oklahoma City, they can stretch their retirement savings and enjoy a more comfortable lifestyle. Staying healthy and active can help reduce healthcare expenses in retirement. Invest in preventative care, exercise regularly, and maintain a balanced diet. Take a cue from American fitness guru Tony Horton, who advocates for regular exercise and healthy eating. By prioritizing your health, you can reduce your healthcare expenses and enjoy a more fulfilling retirement. Finally, staying flexible and adaptable is crucial in retirement. Be prepared to adjust your plans, investments, and expenses as circumstances change. Take inspiration from American entrepreneur Gary Vaynerchuk, who emphasizes the importance of adaptability in business and life. By staying flexible and open to new opportunities, you can navigate the challenges of retirement and achieve your goals. Retiring at 40 on a low income requires discipline, sacrifice, and careful planning. By following these 10 steps, you can create a fulfilling retirement, even on a limited budget. Remember, it's not just about the money. It's about living a purposeful life that aligns with your values and goals. By prioritizing your goals, living below your means, and investing wisely, you can achieve the American dream of retiring early and enjoying a comfortable lifestyle.